Hello everyone, welcome back again for today's puzzle. Continuing on in the book, looks like we are on puzzle number 65 today. Again, there is a link in the description, or you can just find the book on Amazon. I do get a small commission from any sales. Alright, so let's start with this box today. Looks like we're missing a 3 and a 7, but we don't have any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing 7 and 8. And again, I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this box, looks like we're missing a 4 and a 7. We've got a 7 here. So 4, 7. For this row, looks like we're missing a 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6, 5, 6, and that means that our 8 has to be here. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so 2. Got a 4 there, so 9 and 4. Finish out this box, looks like we're missing a 7. And for this box, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 and 5 there, so 6. We've got a 5 up there, so 2 and 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 there, so 6, 9. Finish out this box, then we're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 there, so 2 and 1. This 7 makes this our 3 and 7. Finish out this row, looks like we're missing a 3. In this row, we're missing a 5. That 5 makes this our 6 and 5. So if we do this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 there, so 4 and 8 there, so 6, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 1 there, so 7, 1. And for this box, then we're just missing a 2. And this 8 will make this our 7 and 8. So for this box, then, looks like we're missing a 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and a 7 here, so 4, 7 here, so 5, 7. So then for this row, looks like we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here. So 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. And then for this row, looks like we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And there you have it, everyone. That was today's puzzle. Please do subscribe to the channel. It does help out a lot. Share it with anyone else you think might enjoy our content, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.